Question number 29 is asking us about equation types. We would need to drag and drop these different equations into each box based on the number of solutions. So remember, no solution, we have the same coefficient and we have different constant. For one solution, we have different coefficient and our constant does not matter. For infinite, we have same and same. We have same on both sides. So let's take a look at these that we have. Starting with this one. Okay, when we don't have a number in front of our x, there is an imaginary 1. So if I'm looking at my coefficients, I've got 1 and 1. Those are the same. If I'm looking at my constant, I have -4 and +3. So I'm looking for a different constant and same coefficient. You can see right here, different constant and same coefficient. That gives us no solution. So this one, I would go ahead and drag and drop in there. Remember, if there is anything to distribute or like terms to combine, that we need to do that before we start making any decisions. So if I'm looking at this top one, I have a 13 and -5 that I need to combine first. So 13 and -5 give me 8. So I have 8 plus my 4x equals 4x plus 8. So if I look at my coefficients, I have 4 and 4. Those are the same. If I look at my constants, I have 8 and 8. So same on both sides. That is going to give us infinite solutions. So I would go ahead and drag that one over into this box. All right, let's move on to this one. This one, I have something to distribute, so I need to do that first. Gonna distribute my 2 to both my x and my 2. So now I have 2x plus 4 equals 2x plus 6. My coefficients, I have 2 and 2. Those are the same. My constants, I have 4 and 6. So once again, I'm looking for same coefficient, different constant. That is going to land us in the no solutions box. So I would go ahead and drag and drop that over. For this example, I'm going to look at my coefficients. I have 5, and then there's no coefficient on the other side, so it's not the same. When I have different coefficients, I have one solution. So 5x minus 13 equals 2 is going to give us one solution. Looking at this one, my coefficients, I would have that imaginary 1 and 2. Those are different, and like I just said, different coefficients give us one solution.